happy Sunday, happy Memorial Day weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend and it's Sunday. I realized like halfway through my day yesterday that I should have vlogged, but it actually like worked out because we went to Dylan's grandma's house for a cookout and I probably wouldn't have vlogged much anyway. But yesterday we just like, well, first of all, we slept in our living room not last night, the night before, because it was so hot. It was like 90 degrees and we don't have an AC yet, so it was really hot up in our room. So we brought our mattress downstairs and slept in the living room. It was like a little summer party, but then we woke up kind of early. We woke up at like 7 and then cleaned the house. I went grocery shopping, had breakfast, and then got ready and went over to his grandma's. And then we had a fire with my friend Julia and her boyfriend Kevin last night, so that was really fun. But I thought I would pick up the vlog today, and I just got ready. It's 11 o'clock. I need to run out to my car really quick to get my mask and my wallet because Julia and I are gonna go get bowls. We were supposed to do this last weekend for my birthday, but I couldn't because I was in quarantine. If you want to hear that whole story, like go over to my podcast. The episode is I think it's the how to stay positive episode. You can hear all about that little update. I'm fine. Anyway, we're gonna go get bowls today. We might try to go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's because they're open. I found that out yesterday. But Julia said her mom tried to go yesterday and there was literally like a line so long because we have TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Home Goods, Home Sense, all within like a light, like a stoplight. What? You know, like there's like 2 in one like shopping plaza and then there's 2 in the other. So I mean, if one has a really long line, we could try the other, but I just really want to get some stuff for the apartment and just honestly go because I haven't been in so long and TJ Maxx is everything. But yeah, we're gonna go get bowls and coffee and we're gonna like walk and have a little day. I need to go outside and see how it's only like 55 out right now, so I'm probably gonna wear like my big fluffy jacket. And yeah, that's my big update. So let's keep going with our day. Okay, so actually I think I should do it this way. There we go. All right, so I just ran out to my car and whoa, I got my mask. Dylan just got me like this one with the little filter thing. I'm gonna bring this backpack as a purse today because I know we're going to get bowls and I want to bring my water bottle. So I'm gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna throw my mask probably in this part. I need my wallet. Julia texted me back and she said that she'd be down to try to go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, whatever, Marshall's, all things. I think I'm gonna bring some disinfecting wipes just to be safe. I keep them in my car and it's honestly been so good. So I'll grab some for us in case we like we need a little cleanse. I have a headache because I didn't drink like any water yesterday and I had like 4 White Claws over the span of the day. So I had some at the cookout, then I had some at the fire, and like negative water, and I have a headache because of it. Take care of your body and your body will take care of you. Alright, but these also, I put them in my little like glove compartment thing and I have tissues in there and I accidentally put them on the tissues and the tissues smelled like this and I was like, that can't be good for you. Shove that in there. What else? Oh, I have so many lip glosses in here. Oh my gosh. These are all my good ones too. Kylie, Coco K, right? Yeah, and my Coco K. My Buxom Claire gloss. I don't know, Bryn got this for me and I really like it. And then my other Kylie lip gloss in Diva. All brought to you by Haley and Bryn because they are the best and get me stuff that I will not buy myself, like Kylie lip glosses. I don't know which one I want to do. Maybe this one. I'm gonna use the viewfinder as a mirror. My battery's dying. Also, like, what is my hair doing? Ooh, smacky. Can my hair, like, do something? I don't know if I should go fix it. What time is it? 11:13. I don't know. I've just kind of been rocking the natural, like, wet, and then it just dries. Look, I need to charge my camera before I leave. So Julia picked me up. We're getting gas. Pump that gas. I'm getting gas, and then we're gonna get bowls. I'm so excited. It's actually a lot nicer out than I thought. I'm still probably gonna bring my big jacket, but yeah, I did something with my hair because it was driving me nuts. But honestly, I usually forget to vlog in these situations because Julia and I can just talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. So we'll see how much I vlog. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, it kind of smells like cigarette smoke. Delish. Yep. I love that. Yep. Really appetizing. We're just been chatting away. Yeah. That was really quick. I feel like that was really takes a lot longer. But I mean, maybe I guess they didn't have that many orders. Yeah. I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my phone on me. It's like in my bag. But we just did a little walk over here. Yeah. Nice, really nice day. It's turned out to be a lot nicer out. Oh yeah, it's like almost 12:30. So much nicer. So much nicer than we thought it was gonna be. Because we have like our jackets on. Yeah. And it's definitely not necessary. No. But we're gonna eat and chat and enjoy. Guys, I'm back from our little outing. We ended up going to Marshall's, and we had to wait in a little bit of a line, but it honestly went really fast. But then when we got inside, the line to check out was so long. So it like, we like poked around a little bit, but like we weren't gonna get anything because we did not want to wait in that long line. So then we went to Target and I got some pajama shorts. And yeah, which kind of stinks because I needed to return something to Target, but that's fine. That'll just give me another excuse to go back. So but I'm just gonna hang out for a little bit. It's like 4 o'clock and I'm really tired now. And I'm gonna have a snack and like just chill until Dylan gets home. So that's my plan. It's weird that I don't have to work tomorrow because tomorrow's Memorial Day and I get it off, so that's exciting. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I don't even know what the last thing I filmed was, but Dylan's home now and we just put the pizza in the oven. Didn't we make this on the vlog last week? I feel like we vlogged this. We're making more barbecue chicken pizza because it's Sunday night and yeah, we had leftover chicken. So have that in the oven. Oh, it's already starting to get a little brown. No cheese tonight because I forgot to get cheese at the store. So Dylan's going cheeseless as well. My face is so much whiter than my body. But yeah, I think we're gonna have some dinner and build our side tables. So that's kind of exciting. Babe, they had a huge clock at Marshall's. I was like, that's the big clock, but it wasn't like a style that we really would like. It was huge. Yeah, we've just been catching up about our days. I'm so hungry.
Same. Alrighty.
Show off the za.
Finished product.
Pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. I want pizza. It's a little less cooked than last time. It's a little doughy. Is that okay?
That's fine. I guess.
I like mine more doughy, but I know you like it crispier. I feel like this crust is like thicker.
Or maybe you didn't pat it down as much as I did.
Maybe.
What was that face?
I was trying to like cut it because it's hard because it's...
Oh yeah, don't worry about it. We'll get it after. Boom! Thanks, babe.
Alright, we're gonna build our nightstands. We just got them at Target. It's upside down, but it's gonna look like that. Why is there a tennis racket? Oh no, it's badminton.
Badminton racket.
I'm gonna build these. I guess I'll put a little time-lapse moment.